Why should you hire Distasio Law Firm for your nursing home abuse or neglect or assisted living facility abuse and neglect case? Well, the bottom line is I've been handling these types of cases for over 30 years. I started as a defense lawyer for 10 years. I started as an associate right out of law school and then worked my way up to being the partner in charge of the assisted living facility and nursing home abuse and neglect department in a medium-sized law firm. But you know, I got tired of being the guy who represents companies that in my mind often were simply using the law to help them deny care so they could make more money. And so in 2000, I fired all of those clients, walked away from a lucrative practice defending these facilities so I could represent families who'd been harmed by abuse and neglect against those very same corporate entities. And I did that because it's the right thing to do. Now, that's not to say all nursing homes provide bad care or that all of them have that philosophy. But my experience as an insider, seeing what some of these corporations do, led me to realize that some of them just don't provide enough staff to provide the necessary care, and it ends with them making more money and people getting harmed. And so I couldn't live with that, but now I can provide the benefit of having that knowledge of how those corporate structures work to help my clients. On top of that, nursing home abuse and neglect cases and assisted living facility abuse and neglect cases are complicated. There's federal regulations, there's state laws, there are corporate ways of doing things. And that detailed information, the lawyer has to know and understand that, and having worked with that. And then on top of that, you have to be an experienced personal injury lawyer. I've been doing this for over 30 years. I've tried cases in federal and state court, both with nursing home cases and other types of cases. And it's not like your typical car crash. You need a lawyer with the experience to be able to hold these facilities accountable. And at Distasio Law Firm, we have that experience. There just simply aren't very many lawyers that have been working in this industry and know it and understand it the way that I do. So if you or a loved one has been hurt or injured because of neglect or abuse in a nursing home or assisted living facility, call Distasio Law Firm, talk to us, compare us to the others, and then you decide.